Hello and welcome to the PassFab channel. If you've just factory reset your Samsung phone, you may run into a security feature called Factory Reset Protection, or FRP. This is an account lock tied to the Google account previously used on the device. It's designed to prevent unauthorized factory resets and protect your phone from being used without the owner's permission. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to remove or bypass Google FRP on a Samsung device. These steps also work for most other Samsung models. The first method is to recover your Google account. If you remember the email or username but can't recall the password, simply go to google.com on another phone or computer and try signing in. Select Forgot Password, then follow the on-screen steps. You might be asked to verify a linked phone number or recovery email. Once you successfully create a new password, return to your Samsung phone and enter the updated details to continue the setup process. The second method is to completely remove the FRP lock using PassFab Android Unlock, a professional tool that handles a wide range of Android unlocking issues. This software can remove screen locks, passwords, and bypass Google FRP on nearly all Android models. Download and install it using the link in the description. Open the program and you'll see the main interface. Choose Remove Google FRP, pick your phone brand, Samsung in this example, and select the correct Android version. Click Remove Now, connect your phone with a USB cable, and the tool will automatically detect it. The FRP removal process will begin, and your device may reboot several times until it's done. Once your phone powers back on for setup, you'll notice that the Google account verification is gone. You can now tap Skip and proceed with setting up your device normally. In a short while, you'll be back on your home screen. That's how you bypass Google FRP on a Samsung phone after a factory reset. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.